Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through on how to add tick boxes in Google Slides. Okay, it's a beautiful feature that I find interesting. Okay, so let's get into it practically for you to learn how it is done. With your computer well connected to the internet, just as I have done here, open your web browser. Here, I'll be using Google Chrome because Chrome is a product of Google, all right? And Google Sheets is a product of Google as well. So I'll double click on it for it to open. As the browser opens, visit sheets.google.com, okay? Once Google Sheets opens, you may be required to log in, but here I'm logged in automatically because I have been using it on this browser and I saved my details on this browser as well. So we'll be working with blank spreadsheet. So I'll select this option. In this spreadsheet, I want to create information showing the names of my students that offer a particular course, their performance, and their fee status. That is the status in terms of those that have paid for the courses I offer and those that have not paid for the courses. So I will use this tick box. So I will use the tick box to differentiate between students that have paid their fees and those that have not paid their fees. So let's get started. First, I'll click on this first cell and then type what I want to type inside. Okay, here you can see what I have here. I said Python programming students, performance, and phase status. All right. So this is in one cell, but that is cell A1, but it goes into B1, C1, D1, and E1. So I'll click out and then merge these cells. Okay. So click the first cell, then press and hold on the control key of your computer keyboard and select these other cells the information cut into. All right. After that, take your cursor to this section. There is a mesh tool here. Take your cursor there and then click. All right. You can see these three cells are merged as one. No, not three. One, two, three, four, five. These five cells are now merged as one. So I can make it bold so that people will know that this is the heading. So I'll come down to this section and then type student's name or just name. Let's just use name. Then I can have here as performance and then listed cell here. I will have it as paid school fees. Okay. Any box that is checked means the student have paid, and anyone that is unchecked means the student have not paid. So here, let me make this bold as well. Then I'll make this bold. I'll make this bold. I'm done preparing the student's information and the performance plus the paid fee status. Okay. So let me adjust this. Okay, better. All right. So here I want to insert the tick brush here, which you can also call a checkbox, right? So what I will do is just to click here on the cell where I want to have it, then click the insert tab. You can see the tick box option here. So I'll click on that. It is added. I can still click the second brush, then click on insert and click the tick box option. It is added. I can use Ctrl C to copy this and then use Ctrl V to paste it here. Then I'll do that for the rest of the column. All right. So here I have added the tick boxes, okay, for each of the students, okay. So now let's check those that have paid their school fees. They say paid school fees, that's the heading of this column. Okay, the guy that scored, the Rita Benz, the female student that scored 80% has paid her school fees. So I'll check the box. Then this other guy that scored 99, Steve Silver, has paid. So these other guys that have their bosses unchecked have not paid their fees. That's Kevin Beans that's cost 70, Deco Wheels that's cost 69, didn't pay his cost fee. All right. So these are just the steps you need to take to add check boxes in different cells of Google Sheets spreadsheet. All right, thank you for watching this video and I believe it's helpful, okay? Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the subscribe button. When you do this, on publishing a new video on technology, you will get notification and come and watch them, all right? Many things in our world of today revolve around technology. So the more equipped you are, the more productive you become. So do subscribe. Hit that like button for me for the video to go viral, okay? And leave a comment. If you want to support this channel, you can do so. There's buy me a coffee link in the description. So get there, click on that, and then buy me a coffee with just a little token. All right. See you next time.